The long-awaited revelation has finally dropped, and it's nothing short of a bombshell. For months, people speculated, argued, and even bet on whether Maurice, Sam and Sonia Uche were truly an item or just really good at acting together. Well, guess what? The truth is out, and it's shaking the internet. At first, when rumors of their wedding started making rounds, a lot of people waved it off as just another fan theory. It's just a movie, they said. They have amazing chemistry, but they're not together, they insisted. But now, the truth has hit harder than anyone expected. The so-called Once Upon a Vow movie wasn't just a film, it was their actual wedding video. Yes, you read that right. That emotional, beautifully shot wedding that had everyone hooked wasn't just a scripted scene, it was real life unfolding before our eyes. And the craziest part, they kept it all under wraps like pros. Now, let's talk about the biggest plot twist. When the wedding pictures were finally posted, Pretty Oma, another Nollywood star, jumped into the comment section and casually let the cat out of the bag. So finally, we can now share this good news, she wrote. And just like that, the internet went wild. Think about it. How many times have celebrities tried to hide their love lives, only for one small slip-up to expose everything? That's exactly what happened here. They thought they had us fooled, but fans are like FBI agents when it comes to their faves. One wrong move, and boom, the secret is out. Even more shocking, the engagement video has also surfaced. Apparently, Maurice proposed to Sonia in the most private and intimate way possible. No flashy events, no unnecessary drama, just pure love, away from social media's prying eyes. And honestly, that makes it even more romantic. Many people wondered why they kept denying the relationship for so long. Were they scared of public pressure? Did they just want to enjoy their love in peace? Or were they playing mind games with fans? Whatever their reasons, it has definitely worked in their favor because now, everyone is talking about them. Their wedding wasn't the usual celebrity parade. No paparazzi, no media frenzy, just close family, close friends, and an atmosphere filled with genuine love. And let's be real, in an industry where private lives are constantly under scrutiny, that was a smart move. Even Maurice Sam's sister was spotted at the wedding. That alone should have been enough proof from the start. Family doesn't just show up to a movie shoot in full wedding attire, looking all emotional. But somehow, we all missed the clues. Looking back at Once Upon a Vow, people are now starting to pick up on subtle details that prove it was more than just acting. The way Maurice looked at Sonia, the extra-long embrace, the unexplainable emotions, it all makes sense now. They weren't just playing roles, they were living their truth right in front of us. Some fans feel slightly betrayed. Why did they lie? Why didn't they just tell us? They asked. But let's be honest, if they had announced it earlier, it wouldn't have had this much impact. Keeping it a mystery only made the grand reveal even sweeter. Another interesting part is how other Nollywood celebrities reacted. Some congratulated them publicly, while others, who probably knew the truth all along, just sat back and watched the chaos unfold. It's giving. We knew, but we weren't going to spill the tea, vibes. The next big question is, what's next for them? Will they start posting cute couple content? Will they continue acting together? Or will they keep their marriage as private as they kept their relationship? Only time will tell. Some people are even wondering if Sonia Uche will take Maurice's surname or if she'll keep hers for professional reasons. It might not seem like a big deal, but you know how people love analyzing every single detail when it comes to celebrities. The way everything played out feels like a perfect Nollywood script. A secret romance, a hidden engagement, a private wedding, and then, bam, a public revelation that leaves everyone speechless. If this was a movie, it would definitely be a box office hit. One thing is clear, These two know how to keep their business private. In a world where people share every little detail online, they manage to pull off an entire wedding without anyone suspecting a thing. That's impressive. The moment Sonia's wedding pictures hit the internet, the excitement was uncontrollable. Fans who had been rooting for them all along started celebrating like it was their own family wedding. Others, who had shipped Maurice with a different actress, were left in shock. Even now, some people are still in denial. Maybe it's still a movie. Maybe this is all part of a bigger project, they say. But at this point, what more proof do we need? The engagement video is out. The wedding pictures are out. The congratulations are pouring in. This is as real as it gets. It's also refreshing to see a Nollywood couple who built their love story away from unnecessary drama. No messy social media fights, no scandals, just two people who fell in love, kept it low-key, and finally decided to share their joy with the world. With this revelation, Maurice Sam and Sonia Uche have officially joined the list of Nollywood's power couples. And if they continue keeping things this classy and drama-free, they might just become one of the industry's favorite pairs. People are now reminiscing about all the times they suspected there was something more between them but brushed it off. That one interview where they couldn't stop smiling at each other. That one movie scene where their chemistry felt a little too real. The signs were there all along. And let's not forget, this love story didn't just happen overnight. They've been acting together for years, and it's clear their bond only grew stronger with time. Some say the best relationships start as friendships, and this might just be proof of that. As the news continues to spread, fans are eagerly waiting for more updates. Will they share their honeymoon pictures? Will they post a wedding vlog? Or will they continue to keep their private life, well, private? We'll just have to wait and see. But one thing is for sure, this love story is one for the books. Whether you're a fan of theirs or not, you can't deny that this revelation has been one of the most exciting things to happen in Nollywood recently. Love is indeed a beautiful thing.